Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. It's me, Jafar Iqbal, Assistant Professor of Physics, Rajyakutara Model College, English Medium, Morning Shift. I welcome you to my class. Today, I will take the science class of class 10 Business Studies of English Medium, Morning Shift. Today's topic of my lecture is electricity in daily life. This is my second lecture of this topic. Today we will discuss some important instruments which are very applicable for our daily life. First one is IPS. What is IPS? That is instant power supply. I think almost all of you are familiar with this IPS. And UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply. Both the instruments are very important for our life. In our day-to-day life and in professional career, we are entirely dependent on electricity, and in many cases all our activities come to a half if electricity is stopped. Then we temporarily use alternative supply of electricity. If this alternative source of electricity is late by 1 or 2 seconds, it does not hamper our lights or fans that much. But in case of computer and such type tools, sudden discontinuation of electricity causes big problems for us. It may spoil information kept in the computer, and even its parts may be damaged. That's why in our house we use IPS instead when the electricity is off or when the electricity is gone. But if we use this IPS in our computer, then we may lose all the documents what we typed or what we are working. That's why there should not be any lack of time. That is, there should not be any difference of time between the connection is off and another connection is connected, and that's why we use UPS, that is uninterrupted power supply. So we use UPS in computer to save our documents and to save our computer to save the elements of our computer. System loss of electricity. This is very familiar with you. That is system loss. What is system loss? We know that the power plants at various locations of the country produce electric power. This electricity is distributed to different places according to needs. For electric distribution, first it is sent to various substations. Substations use electricity distribution management to reach electricity to the consumer level. The conductive wire, which is used to distribute electricity from one place to another, has a kind of resistance through it, is little in amount. Whenever electricity flows through a resistance R, heat is produced according to the equation I square R, and it is a loss of electricity or power erosion. This loss is called system loss. That means when electricity is passing through a wire, due to very small resistance of the wire, there is a loss of electricity. That is known as system loss. You have already known that if high voltage electricity is supplied